Hi, it's Carl here. This is a short video to show you how to optimize storage on an HP Stream laptop and get the best experience while using it. First thing to know is that the HP Stream is a cloud-based laptop. If you're in the market for a basic usage laptop, like getting on the internet, checking emails, watching videos on YouTube, social media, browsing on the internet, web searches, doing work on Office apps like Word or Excel, then this is an ultra-budget laptop. Now, let's talk about the 3-point plan on how to optimize storage on this cloud-based laptop. Point 1, HP Stream laptop comes with a 32 GB internal storage, but it also gives you a massive 1 TB OneDrive cloud storage with Office 365 that includes full versions of Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Access. A storage capacity of 1 TB will give you approximately 17,000 hours of music or 500 hours of movies. And the good thing is that both 1 TB cloud storage and Office 365 is a free 1-year subscription. With activating Office 365 and 1 TB OneDrive cloud storage is simple and easy. You need to be connected to Wi-Fi, just a few clicks, and you're ready to use it. You do not need any product key to start Office 365. Let's have a look. So press the Start button on the lower left corner of your screen. Type Word 2016, and then select the Word 2016 icon. In the Let's Get Started screen, you simply activate Office by selecting the Activate button. This will also activate your 1 TB OneDrive storage, and you can start using it straight away. You can store documents, videos, photos, music, and lots of it. Finding OneDrive folder is easy. Click on the File Explorer, and you will see OneDrive located on the left side. And the great thing about OneDrive is that you can access it from any PC by going on your OneDrive website and logging in with your details. And it is also great for sharing any files or documents with your friends, family, by sending them links. Point 2. You can further expand storage by making full use of the SD card slot. For example, I got one of these SD cards. This has 64 GB storage, bought from Amazon for £18. I'm using it to store most of my photos and music files, and I can easily add and remove files from it. Point 3. On the 32 GB internal storage, Windows 10 files and updates occupy a lot of space. Here's a really quick tip that you can use to get the space back. Step 1. In Windows, search for and open Disk Cleanup. Step 2. Select the hard drive where the Windows installation files are stored, usually C drive, and then click OK. Wait while Disk Cleanup scans the drive for files that can be deleted. Step 3. When the Disk Cleanup wizard opens, click Clean Up System Files. Step 4. Select the hard drive where the Windows installation files are stored, usually C drive. Wait while Disk Cleanup scans the drive for system files that can be deleted. Step 5. Select previous Windows installations and temporary Windows installation files. Select additional items from the list, such as temporary internet files, recycle bin, offline web pages, and others to free up more space. Step 6. Click OK to start the cleanup. When the disk cleanup is complete, more free space is available on the computer hard drive. In a nutshell, HP Stream is a cloud-based laptop, and it's great value for money. We'll offer the best experience with optimized storage, making it fun to use. Enjoy.